despite 8 rounds of talks with the farmers regarding this farm bill, we got right to the ninth round of talks is going on. How do you see this? In fact, farmers are not in a position to understand the government, or the government is not able to understand the position of the farmers. The farmers are planning for a massive rally, tractor rally on 26th January.
I do not know exactly what is it that is really upsetting the farmers of Punjab and Haryana. The policy doesn't seem to disturb the farming community here. I've spoken to many of them, they don't feel that way. So what I feel is there may be specific concerns in different areas of the nation or different states of the nation. So it is important, I feel, because it's come this far and unnecessarily the farmers are sitting on the street, causing great inconvenience to rest of the citizens and a lot of torture to themselves. And the government is also not able to function properly because of these protests going on endlessly. So I think it is best that these laws are made as a recommendation for the nation, and every state, it is best that they try to explain to the state leadership what is the significance of these laws, what sort of investment it'll bring into the states, what kind of development and infrastructure will happen, the cold chains and the value addition infrastructure that could come out of this. And if the states wants to regulate, if they have fear of corporations or corporates taking over agriculture, the states can have amendments to control those aspects. In each state the concerns may be different because the agriculture itself is different. So I feel that would be the way forward, but right now it's unfortunate that so many people are unnecessarily suffering. I feel it's a large-scale misunderstanding. I'm not saying on any one party, I think somewhere they didn't read it right and these people didn't understand what they're saying. And now Supreme Court has entered, and unfortunately we are kind of making all major institutions which matter for this nation kind of insignificant with this kind of debates and discussions going on everywhere and everybody having a pot shot at it. I feel it's time that the government makes this law into a recommendation, and every state can make their own amendments as they want, consulting their farmers according to their requirements. I see this as a way forward.